Welcome to DataChamp. Let's dive into today's insights. I'm excited to give you a quick tour of our app. Once you've installed DataChamp, you'll land on the dashboard, which contains some standard reports to help you get started. To run a report, simply hit the Run Now button. Once it's done, grab your data in Excel or CSV format by clicking on Download. You can rerun reports anytime for fresh results and even track your report history by clicking the three-dotted icon and choose More Actions and History. Ready to create a new report? Just click on New Report and choose one of our handy templates, like Unfulfilled Orders. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the report definition settings. There you can adjust and add columns as needed. On the right side, you can customize your report, give it a name, choose where to store it like Dropbox, Google Drive, or FTP. You can select your desired export mode like standard or incremental, and you can choose the file type you need, like Excel, CSV, or TXT. Finally, you can set up an email notifications. Take a first look at your report using the Preview button. Then launch it with the Save and Run Report button. Lastly, let's set up a scheduler for our new report. I am choosing Daily. That's all for today. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this tutorial. And stay tuned, we'll be diving into advanced features of DataChamp in the weeks to come.